Hello my dear students, welcome to AA class. In this video, we are going to learn Microsoft Word and its features. We use Microsoft Word to write text in the computer. So students, how many of you have computers at home? Have you ever used Microsoft Word before? Don't worry, this video will teach you how to create a document in Microsoft Word and how to use MS Word features. What is MS Word? Yes, MS Word is an application software which is used for word processing. The company called Microsoft has made the program MS Word. That is why it is called Microsoft Word or MS Word. When you open Microsoft Word, it opens a blank document with a temporary name Document 1. And this is the place where you can start typing your document or letters or reports or anything. Now we'll see what you have to do to create a new blank document if the Word window is already open. To create a new blank document, you have to select File menu, then you have to select New in that, and then select Blank Document under the Blank and Recent section, then click Create. It will create a new blank document. Now we'll see what is ribbon in Microsoft Word. The ribbon includes the toolbar and menus, and it is designed to help you quickly find the commands that you need to complete the task. By default, the ribbon is located at the top of the screen. If you want to design your text, that is, if you want to change the look of your text, we can do that very easily in MS Word. That is, you can change the font and you can change the font size, font color. If you want, you can highlight the text and you can underline that. Everything you can do using MS Word. How to add different shapes into your document? You can do that by clicking Insert tab, then you have to click Shapes, then you have to select a shape and then click and drag to draw the shape. After you add one or more shapes, you can add text, bullets and numbering to them. If you want to insert a blank table in your document, you have to place your insertion point in the document where you want the table to appear. Then you have to select the Insert tab. After that, you have to click the Table command. However, your mouse over the diagram squares to select the number of columns and the rows in the table. Click your mouse and the table appears in the document. Microsoft Word provides ready-to-use graphics called clipart, which can be inserted in the text as required. It allows you to making changes in a document by adding, moving and deleting text from one location to another. To add clipart in your document, you have to click on Insert tab on the ribbon, then you have to click Clipart button. Okay students, we learned how to add clipart, how to insert tables in your document, that and all we learned. And the last one is saving your document. We have to save the work you did, right? You can do that by clicking File menu, then you have to click Save and type a name for your document in the file name box and click Save. or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+S. So students, we want to close our Microsoft Word window. What we have to do then? Yes, we have to click File, then we have to click Exit. It will close the program. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video.